Hey, hey, how's it going, guys? Jason here, back in for inshore fishing. I've got Johnny with us today. We're going to go out on the boat. We're going to go try and catch some fish, guys. We're not targeting anything in particular. We're just going to go out, we're going to dangle the rods, guys, and hopefully catch something. I'd like to try and catch a John Dory or a red gurnard, but we'll see, guys. We're going to get on the way out there. I'm going to go get some sand eels, and I'll give you a little glimpse on the way out, guys. See you in a sec. Bye. Right, guys, just coming down to the Sand Eel man's boat now. That's Shanker Downs boat. Lovely cracking boat, and we're going for the red cooge, I think he said it was, or the yellow one. The red cooge with the yellow lid, guys, which is on the end of this one. There we have it. We'll open that up. There you go, guys. Just little reds. Don't want nothing big. And I don't want many. I only want a few. There's no point in being greedy. I don't freeze them or nothing. So that goes back in there. That goes in there. And then what I'll do is I'll post £5 through the lad box. 1, 2, 3, 4, £5 through there, guys. Thank you very much, Shanker. Right. Oh, nearly tripped. Let's get back to the boat and make our way out there. Tim's just arrived. He's following us up. There he is. Hey, hey. There's the boys. Oh, hey.
Hey!
Alright?
Yeah, very well.
Right, guys, let's make our way back out there. There it is, the Sand Eel man on the boat, not the man. The scalloper there. dredges for scallops. Stan, his name is. Cracking boat that. He had some work done on it a couple of years back. I think that was the first time he'd had work done on it for a long time. She was well overdue a paint up, that's for sure. There's Tim there going off her head. My oil's low on my motor and I haven't got any, so I have to keep an eye out. Or keep an ear out, I should say, and listen for any beep beep, beep beep. Used to work on that one there, the Amy Blue. And she was a trawler. She's gone dredging now as well. She still does trawling, but she's dredging. I've never worked on that one. My dad's worked on that one. I've been on that one though. I've come back from France in that in quite a big gale. And she's a fine boat. That boat and the blue one is actually identical hulls, just set up completely different, guys. The Innovator. Again, another cracking boat that, guys. There's out the blue. It's one of the charter boats. Goes out chartering. There his wife. They'd probably just not long come back in. Out the blue. Charters. There's the slipway that the bigger boats come off in. They get pulled up with the tractor. I know actually they've got a winch at the top and they just hook a winch on and pull you up. That's Boat Works, that's where you get your fuel. That's Tim in front there. We're about to head out the harbour now, guys, so I'll get you back once we're on our way up the point. See you soon. Well guys, we made it up to Smartens Point. We're going to get the rods set up now, guys. We're going to get some live sand eel on. We're going to get them down straight away, guys, because we haven't got a lot of time before it gets dark. So yeah, going to crack on quickly. Johnny's already down with the feathers. I get mine on now, get the rods baited, get down there. See you in a bit, guys. Well guys, we've been up the bank. We haven't had much. Tim, I think's had one dogfish, so we've just come into Fairmain there. Thought we'd just give it a try. Might get a bass or a pollock. We've been coming up to darkness. But no, we had nothing. Johnny just reeled in. He thought he had a bit of weed on his rod. Turns out he's got a little cuttlefish, guys. I'll give you a little glimpse. Unfortunately for him, he's going to come for bait because he'd be good for bream fishing and stuff like that, guys. So, unlucky for him, he got caught. But lucky for us, it saves the blank. Right, we're going to go up and do another drift, guys. Stay tuned. Johnny's got a float out. And he just noticed the end of his rod was tapping away there. So hopefully, whatever just had a little munch will come back. It's been very, very quiet this trip. But it's good to be back. Tim's over there in the background. Grabbing that just in case. Well guys, just had a few bites there and we got a fish on, baby! Don't know what it is, nice bit of weight there. It's a dogfish. It's a dogfish, guys. There you go. Nice little look up on that as well. I'll give you a quick show. There guys, nice hook up, look straight through the bottom of the lip there. Happy days, it's my first fish on the boat. And it saved the blank. Right, let's get him in the tub, because he's going to come for bait. We get a nice bit of fresh sand eel on, because that one's had it. It's dead. We're going to get a new bit of there, and we'll probably have one more drift. We'll make this our last drift, guys, so let's get a bit of bait on. I had another doggy on there, guys, and trying to put the camera on, I just lost it just spat the hook. Well, that's it anyway, guys. That's our last drift, so we're going to make our way in now. Cheers for joining in. It's good to be back, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy. See you later.